Here I've got HOMTOM HT16 and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the camera app, just allow all the settings, then switch to the video, click on the settings, go one more time to the video settings, and now if you would like to change the quality of your video, just click on video quality. And here you can change the resolution, you can pick low, medium or high. Let me pick for example medium, and now you can record in this medium quality. Then you can switch the resolution to low or to high. I will go back to high to have the greatest possibilities. So this is it, that will be all, so you can smoothly and easily change video resolution in your HOMTOM HT16. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.